At Sony, they are big experts on musical gadgets. They've sold about 385 million Walkman cassette players alone. Even today, the Japanese know everything about the perfect sound. By adding some technology and creativity and removing the wires, they created this speaker. It's so cool that it analyzes the shape of your ears and builds the perfect combination of virtual Dolby Atmos speakers. As a result, each user gets an individual sound field. Total power is 6 watts. The system will work for 12 hours on a single charge, and the flexible neckband is handy for both a quiet movie night and a furious virtual battle. The price is $162. Once Dan Brown, the author of the popular novel The Da Vinci Code, combined the words cryptology and codex, and he got the neologism Cryptex, which refers to this storage system for secret data. There's a detailed description of a Cryptex in the novel, but many manufacturers have made their own versions. You're seeing one of them on the screen. This Cryptex hides a flash drive inside. If you don't know the code, you can't get it out of the cylinder. The Cryptex is made of zinc, brass, and leather. The capacity of the flash drive varies from 16 to 256 gigabytes. It comes with a velvet pouch for storing it. The price is $50 for the 64 gigabyte version. Kodak was founded by a bank clerk, and one of its first publicity moves was selling $1 cameras. When they ran out of film, customers would send the cameras back to Kodak, where they would put a new film, print the photos from the first roll, and send it all back. Even today, the company keeps surprising people. For example, with this mini printer. It prints 5 by 8 centimeter photos right from your smartphone. And even amateurs can easily edit them with the Kodak Step app. One charge is enough for 25 pictures. The mini printer is resistant to moisture, stains, and tears, and you can take it with you in the back pocket of your jeans. The price is about $70. Not a day without a revolution. This revolutionary tool is going to change the way you lift materials, the manufacturers promise. On the screen is an electric suction cup with a vacuum pump, and its smart internal system makes it more appealing to potential clients. You can see all the necessary data on the digital display. The load capacity is 170 kilograms. You can work with metal, glass, ceramics, wood, plastic, and other materials. A full battery is enough for 900 cycles or 90 minutes of work. The price is $300. Not bad for a tool that's been tested by professionals from all over the world, right? Unwind with ease, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed. The creators of this alarm clock suggest. They say that after 2 weeks of use, 59% of subjects had reduced stress levels, and 24% felt more energetic. So, what's the trick? It's simple. The alarm clock imitates the sunrise, which means that it wakes you up not only with sound, but also with light. The user, explain the designers, wakes up in a natural and gentle way. The alarm clock has a lot of settings, from brightness and shade of light to a special library with nature sounds. It's compatible with Android and iOS phones. The alarm clock has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and can be used as a nightlight. The price is $130. Power outages are not rare. In 2003, 10 million people in Canada and 40 million people in the US were left without electricity. To avoid staying in the dark, we recommend keeping a flashlight around, especially since this model will also be useful in the great outdoors. The flashlight offers a beam range of 454 meters and 8 operating modes. Heat-dissipating fins protect it from overheating, while the ATR system automatically reduces the brightness. Also, the flashlight can withstand immersion in water to a depth of 2 meters. The lens is made of toughened mineral glass and is additionally protected from mechanical damage. And finally, the built-in OLED display will show you the approximate runtime, temperature, and other data. The price tag is $250. Another flashlight, this time for only $18. However, the seller believes that it will also be suitable for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. In particular, the flashlight withstands a 1.2-meter drop and immersion in water. And some reviewers even put it in the freezer, and afterwards it worked without problems. The Samsung LED lets you spot the flashlight from 126 meters. The upper part of the flashlight rotates 90 degrees, and the magnetic insert allows you to securely attach it to a metal surface, for example in the garage or workshop. In some fairy tales, heroes and villains often turn to a magic mirror for help. But did you know that today anyone can buy a magic mirror? The magic element has been replaced by a smart system. Now, this mirror allows you to check your mail, watch videos, listen to music, stretch your muscles, and remember other people's birthdays. The mirror is smartphone friendly, connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it's 152 centimeters high, so you can easily assess your new look. The mirror comes with fashion guides and beauty tutorials. The price for this model is about $800. 10,000 mAh, 15 hours on a single charge, power bank function, and 4 temperature ranges. What do you think this gadget is? A hint. It's found in the camping and hiking section. Did you get it? It's a modular hand warmer, and a very interesting one at that. First, it weighs only 240 grams and fits easily into the pockets of a jacket or raincoat without interfering with your walk. Second, it has 4 heat levels, starting at 63 degrees centigrade. And third, a quick reload system allows you to quickly replace the battery. And the price starts at only $30. In 2019, there were 1.1 billion smokers on the planet. So the people selling this cigarette lighter might make a profit easily. The manufacturer highlights its creative style and compactness. The accessory weighs only 150 grams. The capacity is 10 cigarettes, and the flame height is adjustable if necessary. The design as a whole will certainly be of interest to DIYers, because with the right skills, other functions can be added. Here is a keychain that can be used as a pill case. It's made of titanium, so it's hypoallergenic, not subject to corrosion, and doesn't conduct heat, so your medications will be protected and won't overheat. The keychain weighs only 11 grams and comes with a lanyard and a ring, so it's easy to attach to your bag or backpack. In addition, thanks to its double protection, you won't have to worry about keeping your meds safe, even in extreme situations. The price is $23. And here's another pill case. The manufacturers also chose a military style and titanium. The weight was reduced by half to 5.5 grams, and the accessory is waterproof. You can dive with it and wear it in the shower. This pill case holds 4 aspirin tablets, can be used as a keychain or a pendant, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Worth the price, the seller is confident. It costs $17. However, one buyer got into an awkward situation. The pill holder looks like a bullet, so it caught the attention of airport security, and he had to say goodbye to it. Now that you have a flashlight, a hand warmer, and a pill case, you need to take care of stability. To that end, these crampons will come in handy. The seller believes that fishermen, hikers, and runners should take a closer look at them. Each pad has 12 spikes, 1 centimeter each, that are suitable for ice, hard-packed snow, and rocky terrain. If necessary, you can choose a model for dirt, or an urban model which is quieter. A pair of S-size crampons weighs 312 grams, and the price is $75. Watch an interesting movie in a few minutes without rewind? Easy.
We got a great-looking audience tonight.
The Sweet Popcorn channel has a mega convenient format waiting just for you. Short retellings of movies, from auteur films to